This tutorial is a little different because I'm going to show you a new mindset for building WordPress or WooCommerce websites. So we have lots of tutorials on this channel that we build something from scratch, starting from a theme, then installing the needed plugins, usually installing the Elementor plugin and Elementor Pro for customizing our website, and then we make everything work together. But I must confess that this way of building a website is difficult, especially for large projects and complex websites. So maybe you just want to create a car renting website or a hotel booking website or maybe a marketplace. And when you start this way, you don't know where are you going. So you're not sure that you will be able to complete the project, because sometime in the project you may be facing difficult things and plugins might not work together. The expenses can really go high because you have to just purchase different plugins than what is starting with a build template. And this is what I'm going to introduce to you in this tutorial. So here I'm in the Crocoblock website and we are going to start with the products. Now don't fear, you can just get all of these products in a bundle, so the price is really reasonable and fair. That's okay. So the core of these plugins is Jet Engine. So Jet Engine allows you to create custom post types and listings and structures on this post type. So you can create custom post type, custom content type, custom taxonomy, custom fields, meta boxes. So you can create all of this content. So for example, if you want to create a booking website, your custom post type will be the actual thing that people can book. If you are selling something, that is also a custom post type. WooCommerce products are a custom post type. So this is actually the core of all this hierarchy of plugins and tools. So this is really important. Now you can buy it separately, but it also is included in the bundle. So this is the first product. Then we have Jet Smart Filters, which allows you to create filters for your website. So whether again you have a WooCommerce website or a booking website or anything, you usually want filters. And this is one of the things that people have a difficult time setting up, because when you use plugins, they don't work together very well and you usually have problems with these filters. This is the tool that you need for this custom post type. So we have it. Then we have Jet Booking, which is a complete booking system for your website. And I should mention that all of them work with Elementor and Gutenberg. So Crocoblock is really a favorite toward Elementor, and usually they build with Elementor, but you can also use Gutenberg, so you're free on that. Then we have Jet Reviews for a review website or integrating reviews into your website, whatever your website is. We have Jet Appointment for creating an appointment website. We have Jet Elements, which is a bundle of Elementor widgets. It's really nice, powerful, and responsive. Then they have Jet Grid Builder for creating custom grids and in a very easy way. So that's for creating nice layouts within Elementor. They have Jet Pop-Up, as the name suggests, for creating different pop-ups. Jet Woo Builder for enhancing WooCommerce capabilities and customizing it. A really cool plugin. They have Jet Product Gallery for creating galleries for your WooCommerce products. They have Jet Style Manager for styling your website without need to write CSS or any code. So it just allows you to style your website very easily and intuitively. They do have Jet Blocks, which is a header and footer blocks for Elementor, a very nice plugin. They have Jet Tabs for creating tab sections in Elementor, toggleable tags or accordions. They have Jet Blog, which is for enhancing your blog functionality and designing your blog. They have Jet Tricks, which is adding animation and visual effects to Elementor. Again, a very nice website tool for creating nice layouts. They have Jet Search for adding search functionality to your website. They have Jet Compare Wishlist, which is a plugin for adding comparing feature for products and also wishlist feature for your WooCommerce products. They have Jet Menu, which is for building menus within Gutenberg or Elementor. They have Jet Theme Core, which is a theme builder for Elementor, so similar to what you get in Elementor Pro for building different themes and templates for your website. They have finally Form Builder for creating beautiful forms. And these are the tools that you get. Now, some of these functionalities are, of course, available within other plugins from other companies, but the nice thing is that you can get ready-made solutions built from these plugins that you can customize. So let's say you want to have a big hotel, a grand hotel booking, they have a ready-made solution. You have a mini hotel, they have. If you want dealer marketplace, they have. So these 4 categories currently: book solution, marketplace and directory, appointment solution, and e-commerce solution. And that's pretty much all the popular use cases that people need. So if you are building websites for your clients, then these 4 categories probably match what they need. This is not, of course, all the categories. For example, they currently do not have LMS solution. That would be nice to have. Although you can create it using this, so you can create custom post type and then put videos for your tool, but it can be a little hard. But these 4 sections are ready-made solutions. So you click on Grand Hotel Booking and it just brings you the page, and we have the demo, so you can click on it and visit a live demo. This is very nice because you can show it to your client and just say, this is what we are going to create, or we are creating something similar to this if you wish, and you will have it. So as you can see, it's a fully functional hotel booking system. So I can just select the room type, and all of them are customizable. So this is not what you are limited to, because it's using under the hood that set of tools. So that's very nice because you can customize it. So you can, for example, start with the economy hotel, and then you select the check-in date and check-out date, and then select the number of persons and check availability, and you get the result. 1 type of room are available. You can see rooms, and it just shows all the different features. You have the images, we have the reviews, and everything is customizable. So this is not a plugin that is creating all of this, but rather a set of tools. And of course, under the hood is using its booking plugin, and you can customize different things about it. So that's really, really nice and powerful, and a new way of building WordPress websites, because you don't need to put lots of time and energy finding different set of tools and plugins and themes and making them work with each other, because everything is ready for you out of the box. You just need to import it and it's ready now. If you're ambitious and starting something that is not within these 4 categories, it's just fine. You can use this set of tools to build it, but they have ready solutions for you. And that's really, really nice and powerful. Now, about the pricing, if I just bring the pricing, you can see that you can get all of these tools for a single website for $200 per year. That's really cool, because with this set of tools, you don't really need to buy a premium theme. And I should mention that they do have a free theme that works greatly with their tools. So because every plugin is really manipulating different parts of the themes, you just need a fast and a modern theme to just work with. So you don't need to have a custom theme for your product. You don't need to have a booking theme or a hotel theme. You just need a base theme for your work. They do have a theme. So it is Crocoblock theme. It's free, and you can just get it, and just is a good starting point for your website, because it's fast. It just lightweight and it just works greatly with their products. But basically you can use any theme of your choice, even free themes, because these tools don't need anything from your theme. They have their own power. They create the menus, they create the header and footer, so they are basically replacing every part of your theme. So this is for one project, but if you are a freelancer, they do have a freelance plan, which is $750 for 500 projects. That's really cool, because this is probably lower than what you charge your customers for creating, for example, a booking website or anything like that. And finally, they have lifetime price for forever updates and for unlimited projects. That's really, really cool. And I really think this is a new way of thinking about your WordPress and WooCommerce project. And that's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more WordPress content. And like always, you can reach our team from the link in the description.